of the Ram Mandir Janambhoomi Pujan that is to take place. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had appealed to people to light at least diyas on the 4th and of the 5th of August and to stay at home and to follow all COVID-related guidelines. As it is expected that the entire district of Ayodhya will be lit up as a Diwali festival before the Bhumi Pujan actually takes place on the 5th of August. As the entire district has been spruced up and preparations are on in full swing, and the bhog that is also being prepared for this event that will be taking place, keeping all the COVID restrictions in mind. And Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath there appealing to the people to light diyas on the 4th and the 5th of August. 4th will be the day before the Bhumi Pujan has to take place. But he has also made the appeal to the devotees to not come out of their homes and to stay within their homes, and the broadcast that will be done on television so that they can take the direct darshan of Bhagwan Ram right there from their TV screen. So we have Samarth with us. Going across to him, what is the appeal, Samarth, that has been made by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath?
Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath has requested all the Indians to pray to lit diyas on 4th and 5th of August, as we know that 5 August is the auspicious date when Prime Minister of India himself will visit Ayodhya to lay the foundation and will do the Bhumi Pujan, which was awaited since decades. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, has also requested the Indians, the people of Uttar Pradesh, to read Ramayana in home and stay at home and watch live via Doordarshan, via TV channels. So he has requested in a way to keep it, to make it big, but in keeping themselves inside their homes, as COVID-19 is on and more than 70,000 cases has been reported in Uttar Pradesh, obviously. So these are the things. UPCM has this thing of social distancing in his mind, and in a way he has also requested in a written form also that please be safe for corona, but also like offer prayers to Lord Rama, as this date is very auspicious and people have fought a long battle for this date of Bhumi Pujan in Ayodhya.
Samarth, thanks very much for the live update. So that was a quick EBIX Cash news alert that we're getting directly from Ayodhya, where how the entire district has been spruced up, and the appeal that is being made by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to remain indoors, follow the COVID guidelines, and also light up diyas on the day before the Bhumi Pujan takes place.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami, and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.